Testing. A little bit of news at 7. What's up, Sinfinian? You long the NQ dip at 17,500. Just sold. Nice, bro. Yeah, I was looking at that. I wasn't ready yet because I was getting my coffee. But I saw it kind of rounding out and some stopping volume coming in. It looked like a nice setup to go long. And there's some continuation. Pushing over, point of control. A little bit of orders lower. Oh, nice, bro. Yeah. It fucking actually sucks. Getting up at 6:30 instead of 9:30. But it's all right. You get used to it. This thing's rejecting point of control, actually. The 5-minute. Yeah, I woke up fucking way too late. I can still catch a move though. Slowly grinding higher. Not a whole lot going on. Just kind of chilling at point of control. Tech much weaker than SPY today. Yeah. Yeah, NQ is has all the tech. Oh, these are both NQ. I'm fucking what the hell? I was like, wow. They're exactly the same, but no. Yeah, US is definitely more bullish. The fuck? I was switching back and forth. I didn't realize this was NQ too. It's definitely a little stronger than NQ. Took out the pre-market highs. We're just sitting at all-time highs now. I'm gonna try a long off a point of control and try and catch them in this move. Play it decently tight. I'm just following this uptrend since pre-market. We're just in this huge bull rally. I think we're gonna continue. Hopefully have some buyers off a point of control. I'm gonna take profit at on, tag me out. Take one off here if it wants to fill, but doesn't want to fill. I'll just do it fucking manually then, dude. I'll just do it manually if you don't want to fucking fill. There it goes. Hopping, testing the highs right now. Hopefully get some continuation, break the highs, and just fucking uptrend would be awesome. Give it a little more room. No, it's just good. Just getting immediately slapped lower. It's fine. Waiting for data. Yeah, they're supposed to happen a minute ago. Looks like there's not a whole lot of reaction off of it. $162 trade. Almost in the green on this fucking Express account. It's been a grind, man. After going on that losing streak. Yeah, I guess the data didn't do anything. They don't really care about it, I guess. I think it was home sales or something. Damn. Looks like we might continue the uptrend. Maybe not. It was a third test of the highs. It just rejected, got slapped down pretty hard. Some big sellers coming in here. Testing point of control again. Looks pretty heavy. Look at the volume coming in, man. Still have 2 minutes left of this 5-minute candle, and the volume's already highest that it's been since the open. Might be trying to retrace some of this pre-market move here. I think he's trying to break out of this consolidation to the downside. Look at that volume, bro. Was that the news reaction? It's just hella late. There's no way, right? Looks like one's bullish and one's bearish. I don't know. I don't know how to interpret that. Yeah, this thing's pretty heavy. Yeah, I was looking at a short here, but I don't really want to enter now. Yeah, I think it's just volume coming in at 10. Sometimes it just will randomly pick up, but this is a pretty big ass candle here. Trying to buy it back up, looks like. Hitting this liquidity level. can I move this? Hello? So this order down here. I should have taken that fucking short, bro. Whatever, too late, not too late now. Testing this level for the 4th time here on ES. Bouncing off right off of liquidity. Just added another order at 4875. It's a bearish sign. There's not a whole lot of buyers participating here compared to the sellers. If you look at the volume on the 1 minute. There's like a perfect triple bottom here. Good thing you scalp those longs, yeah. Yeah, I played that pretty tight. As we are pretty high up here at the top. Night long around here. Ooh. Missed it. Yeah, it bounced back from the lows. But there's not a whole lot of participation in this move higher. If you look at the volume compared to the last candle. It's pretty weak. My chat, no, it's not the chat delayed. It's just I didn't look at the message. I was delayed. The stream only has like, I think, like a 5-second delay. It should be at least. I have it on low latency mode. Yeah, it's like 4-second delay. Look at that big ass red candle. I think we break these lows and we test we test this level here, 4875. This is a big ass order they put on. We also have Gex lower. So that's another magnet to the downside. Move this here. This big ass negative gamma level at 483 strike price. There's also 485, but it's smaller. So we might just chop according to this thing. Just realized my message showed up on screen. Yeah. I have the chat overlay on the screen. Just kind of chilling around point of control. Volume's dying down a little bit as is expected for this time of day. So it could be a consolidation day. I have a lot of liquidity at 4,900. It's also a pretty major psych level. And that's the high of day up here. Missed out on the move, bounced too fast. Yeah. It's hard to get perfect entries. Just one of those things where the more practice you have, the better. There's not really any other way to get good at timing your entries and exits. Looks like we might just come back down here. It's kind of choppy. I don't really want to participate in this move lower here. They're also adding up here, which is strange. See what happens. Okay, all the negative gamma is now at 483. Still just hanging around point of control. I don't really ever see this happen where they have two big orders above and below. Normally it's just like one side. So this liquidity sitting here at the highs, I'm probably going to test that before anything else. They're trying. These last three daily candles are pretty gnarly. On ES. Pretty bullish. Not super high volume though, so it's kind of sketchy. Looks like we're kind of dying out for the day. At least for now. So maybe it's gonna test this this level here. Absorb it or reject. Let's see what happens. NQ's looking stronger. Actually, no, ES is testing the level right now, and we are rejecting. Slightly, maybe. It's barely tapping into all those sell orders. Let's see if it gets absorbed. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they absorb it and then just trend up based on what's been happening lately. Looks like we're rejecting off of it though. Crabbing at 10 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna slap off of it. Or we're gonna retest it? I don't know. This thing's kind of dead. I don't really want to scalp a short, but there's not a whole lot of volume to work with here. There's your short setup. Oh, never mind. We're retesting it again. I like these lo-fi remixes. It's kind of nice. It's good background music. Rejecting off of it once again. It's absorbing like, I don't know, a very small amount of all these sell orders. Yeah, rejecting off of it for the third time now. I mean, I'm green. There's not really a point trying to force a setup. Volume's not here right now, and short looks pretty nice though, man. I'm just gonna sit back and watch it work out. I'm not gonna take it. Shit. You pretty much only play. Hold on. You only play one side bias depending on the 1 hour trend. Yeah. That's not a bad idea. But the trend can change at any time, and there's also like 2,000 other trends interwoven into the major trend. So I usually don't have a daily bias, to be honest. I have a general bias, and that's bullish, just because we're in this huge bull rally. And that was part of my reasoning for taking this long here, was just continuing this massive trend that we're on. So it's always a good idea just to follow the trend, but you don't have to, and I usually don't. Just depends on the day and what I see. So this up here and this massive level down here, 4872. It's like Friday's highs, kind of. Not really. This is like a consolidation type of day. Just kind of chopping around point of control. But so far, if you long the dips throughout the day, usually at low a day, chances are in your favor we come up. Friday was wild because I longed the data dip, but sold for 25 points and watched that shit. Nice, dude. I didn't trade Friday, or did I? I don't even know what happened, bro. Oh, yeah, I know. I didn't trade this. This is a huge trend up. I remember I woke up late. It was like right here. I saw the pullback, but I didn't enter. And look what happened. It continued. I think I took like a little scalp up here somewhere on MQ. Fridays are weird because sometimes they're just super low volume and there'll be like nothing going on. But other times it'll just be a trend day. Like I've seen so many Fridays that just trend up like 100 points easily. Like last year it happened fucking all the time. They were all trend up days too. On Friday. This thing's it's pretty slow. Okay, so they shifted some of the liquidity lower. A little bit, not really. Still have these two big orders. Here's the short working out that I didn't take. Let's see if they can make some new lows or something. The VIX is dropping lower, which is weird. It's supposed to be the invert of price. Got a little bit of volume picking up. Normally I would long here, but third time usually not the charm. Yeah. Personally, if I have a winning trade, I'm a lot pickier in what I take. Just because I could just end the day green and be happy. Especially if I have two winning trades, then I usually just call it at that. Like there's no point in trying to make more. I'm just getting greedy. Some volume picking up here on that little dip. Buying it back up. I wouldn't mind the long either, honestly. I'm just kind of late. NQ also set lower highs. Same with ES. Yep. It didn't take out the high yet. Another test of this level up here. It's less liquidity now than there was before. See if we finally absorbed it. Guess not. It's gonna reject off of it again. Just chilling at point of control once again. And it looks like it's rejecting off. Top wick. Again, slap down. Maybe it'll come down and test this liquidity at 48.75. Even though that's super low down here. Might be something that we do at the end of the day type of thing. I imagine they buy this dip. Just kind of how the day's been going so far. Semi's finally stopped ripping, sitting at low a day. Have you heard of SMCI stock? I have not heard of that stock. Semis, what is that? Like semiconductor, semi-truck? Semiconductor. Yeah, I've never heard of that. Imagine that has something to do with tech, though. Here's testing the low. Made a new low, kind of. Let's see if they just buy the dip again. Yeah, NQ put in a new low. How does the semiconductor stock? How do you use that? Do you just monitor it? Like, does it have an impact on ES or something? Oh, it's part of the NASDAQ. Oh wow, this thing's ripping, dude. What the hell? This is like fucking GameStop. Yeah, it has been moving like crazy, bro. Look at this thing. Literally fucking AMC over here. It's up like, I don't know, 800%. Making new lows. They took off this level here. which is weird. Damn, this thing's melting. The sellers are picking up steam. They took off this order, which is weird. They still have the one up higher on. Looks like they're trying to buy the dip here. Looks pretty heavy. Boom. Some big sellers there. NQ is dying. NQ broke pre-market lows and Friday's high. Actually hasn't tested Friday's high yet. Bottom looking, buying the dip. Look at that. What a move. I have absolutely no clue where I would long next, though. Yeah, you could try and take along here, maybe. I mean, they're buying the dip again. Look at that, bro. Holy shit. Look at that wick. I'm just going to take one with tight stop. You see the volume come in here and then the buyer stepping in. Hopefully we can retrace some of this move. Look at these big ass bottom wicks and the volume. Clearly some buying going on, but it might just be very short term, short lived. Oh yeah, this thing's fucking heavy. This thing is heavy, bro. Damn. Might stop me out here. Hopefully I have some buyers buy this thing back up, man. They were really trying and then just got slapped down as soon as I enter. We're trying. Have these orders up here still. Check NQ's book. A little bit of stuff up here. There's not really a whole lot going on. God damn it, bro. Just gonna give back all my profit. There's the stop. Well, that sucks. I like the setup. Literally, it looked like we were buying the dip, and you know, I expected some sort of little retracement, but it might still happen. I don't know. I just didn't want to risk a whole lot there, so I had to set the stop. 1 minute chart made it look much more bullish than it was. Yeah, I know, dude. That's where I saw the setup, is on this 1 minute. And just given what we've been doing today, which is just buying the dips and selling off the highs, I thought we would easily come back to point of control, honestly. But it's just kind of, I don't know, bad entry, I guess. Literally, as soon as I buy, it just gets smacked down. And then it just tagged me out, and now maybe it'll go up now that I'm out of the trade. I guess I should have been satisfied with my 160 bucks. If this thing works out after tagging me out to the fucking penny, then I'm going to sue Topstep. I'm going to sue the market makers. Might do it, bro. It might tag me out to the fucking penny, and then, yeah. Oh, God. That's gonna fucking suck, bro. If I have to sit here and watch it work out after it tags me out. Looks like we might just chop around at the bottom here. Well, gotta change this P&L thing. Was it 267 red now? Yep. Yeah, I can't get myself to long this until I see a large move up and a small retest. That's your game plan. Good luck, dude. What do you want to see retested? The low? Well, this thing totally faked me out, man. Well, it's not even a fake out because it. But this looks really fucking bullish. Like, I just see all these buyers coming in. If I had my stop like 2 cents lower, it'd still be in this, potentially catch this move. I think ES might have been better, honestly. It's a little less weak. It's also a lot fucking smaller, so I wouldn't be risking as much. Got this random ass order at a 17,312. I have a smaller one up here. 550. Crazy how we're at 17,500 on NASDAQ. Pretty big ass number. Volume's kind of dropping out here, which is normal for this time. How many points was this? 12 points. Hopefully this thing fucking breaks the lows. I don't want to see it work out after it tags me out to the fucking penny. Don't think it happens, but a move back to the chop zone and then a small pullback into a move higher. But today seems slow for that. Yeah, it could happen. And we have point of control up here, so rotation would make sense. The volume is pretty low, so could happen later in the day, like power hour or something. Here we go. It's testing the lows, kind of. Might be a trend down day. Let's see what happens. It's trying. NQ made a new low. This thing's pretty bearish. And they're buying the dip once again. Oh, never mind. This liquidity down here, 48.80. There it goes. It's breaking the lows. Boom. ES new low on ES2. NQ melting off. Damn, that would have been a nice fucking scalp there. When did they add this? 4847, way down there. Crazy. NQ at lows while Apple up 1.6%. Yeah, that is kind of weird. Yeah, the banks are a lot stronger than the tech. Just makes sense that that NQ is weaker than ES for that reason. More sellers. Shit, bro. I hate ending the day green and then switching to red. It's fucking stupid. I don't want to short it at the bottom though. I don't want to go against this fucking sell-off. Okay, my monitors just refresh themselves. That's cool. See what the gamma looks like. Is this the bottom? That's the question. 75, 78, looking at ES longs. Down here at the pre-market lows. I don't know, this thing looks pretty heavy. There's just these big sell-offs and then they buy it back up a little bit and then just sell it off again. It's a very small retracement, kind of getting slapped down. It's like no volume on this pullback here. Do I join this downtrend? I'm gonna wait a little bit. But I think we continue the downtrend. Set a limit order to MES at 78. We'll average down if need be. 78. Looks like a nice spot, honestly, for the longs. Pre-market lows kind of acts as support. A little bit of buyers here, but not really a whole lot. But I like that that hypothesis. I kind of want to join this downtrend, man. Seems like a nice pullback to enter on. There's not a whole lot of buyers here. I'm gonna try it. I really think we continue this downtrend. There's not a whole lot of buyers or volume on this mini retracement. It might just immediately fucking take me out. I don't want to give it a whole lot of room, but slap it down. Come on. I'll take profit at the lows, but come on, bro. You're still buying it up? Oh my god, bro. A little bit of sellers, a little bit of buyers, not a whole lot going on. Don't fucking buy it up. Come on, bro. Oh my god, bro. That fucking sucks. Today is not my day. At all. Don't tell me it tags me out to the penny and then moves lower, bro. You were down $400, but about to quit for the day. Took one more trade and made $960. Funny how things can turn around quickly. Yep. No, this is a express account. It's not an eval. So it's technically a sim account, but you can withdraw the profit for real money through Topstep. It's called express funded account. Shit, bro. Today is not my day at all. Watch it work out now. Oh my god. No, bro. Don't do this to me. I cannot read the market today, bro. I don't know what's going on. Things like this, I always start with the micros, yeah. Yeah. The thing is, they only allow you to take 2 contracts most. So two micros would be just way too small. Like it would just take so fucking long. I don't have the patience for that. Sorry, man. Buying the dip. You have 2,000 room for drawdown. $2,000. So I think NQ is fine for that. I mean, I take pretty small scalps, so. Oops. Is there a reset fee on Topstep? I've just been using trade day. Yeah. There's like there's a fee. I think it's $50, which is the same as just buying a new account. But I think you get one free reset your first combine. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I never resetted one. But I think you get your first reset's free, pretty sure. And then once you actually pass it, you have to pay $150 activation fee. Topstep sounds cheaper than trade day. The actual price to buy the combine's cheaper, yeah. But I think trade day doesn't have the activation fee, right? Because Topstep has a $150 fee that you pay to get the express funded account, which is this one, after you pass the combine. It's a one-time fee that you pay for each account every time you pass one. And this thing is just fucking very indecisive. This added the activation fee on trade day. Oh shit, really? People are pissed over that. Wow. Yeah, that's where the majority of the money comes from, I'd imagine. is that fee. So they might have not been making enough by having it for free. That fucking sucks. I would just stick with Topstep then, man. It's only $50. Save you some money. Have a whole lot of liquidity right here at the lows. Using Apex. Yeah. I didn't use Apex because of the trailing drawdown bullshit that they do. The intraday trailing drawdown. It just doesn't work for my my style, I guess. You got filled at 78 you were talking about? Nice, dude. It is quite heavy, but I think that can work for you. You have this as support. All these buy orders down here. 78 and 3/4. Nice. Best of luck to you. They do love to buy these dips today, so you could see a little bit of a pullback here for sure. I'm just mad I got stopped out to the penny. Because my take profit was right here at the lows. It was like halfway up this wick, like right here. So I would have taken profit. But I have this right here. Stops me out. There's a random slap right there. They're trying to absorb this liquidity. I think you took out the pre-market low. No, this is ES though. I think he's already fucking way below the lows. Looks like he might have caught the bottom, Cynthian. Hopefully this is the bottom. It's just unfortunate. I should have gave it more room, I guess. Whatever. I test this liquidity once again. Big ass bottom wick. Oh, on Discord it shows if you're streaming now. That's kind of cool. I guess as I have my YouTube connected to Discord, it has my stream up there. Gonna be long, but I'm gonna gonna be a long wait, but NQ not setting a new low with ES is definitely a good push up. Yeah. No, looks like a little bit of buyers here. I mean, you can see them right here, all these buy orders. Price taps into it and then rejects off. So for now, the sellers aren't strong enough to break this level, which is a good sign for your long. So this could be the low of the day. Some buyers. Getting slapped down again. See if they continue this downtrend. Your TP is 4887. That'd be a pretty nice trade, dude. It's like I don't know, a lot of points. 12 points or something. It's a top wick though. Kind of just chopping around here. I'll give it to 815, but today's just one of those days where you get, or I get unlucky with my stops. And I don't know, I'm just having trouble reading the market today, I guess. So I gotta cut my trades off. Just part of the process. Top wick. Volume's getting lower and lower as the day goes on. That's what you gotta do with micros. Need those larger moves. Yeah. What's your profit target. Because if you're only taking 2 micros, you're gonna need these big moves for sure. I'm still pissed about this fucking trade, man. Would have been big green. But didn't get stopped out right there. Dun, dun, dun. Not a whole lot of action right now. If it continues the trend, it should go lower from here. Usually trading micros on NQ, 2 MNQs, 20 points. Give me $100. Yeah. Yeah, no, it'll add up for sure. And it lets you have, you know, wider risks too. So your trades have more room. It's definitely not a bad idea. Usually the smaller position sizing, the better. Just kind of allows you to just have more fails. Gives you more room to fail before you blow up that account, pretty much. Especially if you're taking like, you know, 5+ trades a day. 2 micros will get it done for sure. Like, it'll add up. One day I'll catch the bottom and top of a trend day. Yeah. It'll happen. That's why I like to use trailing stops. It allows you to just sit in the trade for a while. You just slowly move the stop higher and higher. And just lock in more and more profit without getting taken out. Eventually there'll be a reversal or a pullback, obviously. But it allows you to just take as much of the trade as you can. That might have been the bottom though, dude. I'm gonna call it there though, because I'm tired. And today's just not my day. I'm gonna cut off the trading and just do something else. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Shout out Sinfinium, shout out Sarambella, whoever else watched today. I'm going to go sit and cry in the shower. Just kidding. Come back tomorrow, smarter and better, and make more money. See ya.